Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to clear the header and footer that appear when printing from Google Chrome. First, open the Chrome print window by pressing Ctrl and P. And on the right side, click on More Settings. And scroll down until you find the options. And as you can see, the headers and footers are checked. Simply uncheck this box. The preview will immediately update, showing a clean print layout without the page title, URL, date, or page number. We just removed Chrome's print header and footer by disabling the option in the print setting for a cleaner and more professional print output. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos